I'm gonna be giving away my first ukulele ever. I painted it, I've played many songs on it, and then I'm gonna sign it and give it to the winner. In order to win this, all you have to do is comment on this video, share with your friends, make sure a bunch of people subscribe and everything, because I'm gonna be giving this away once we hit 5,000 subscribers. And make sure you go to the TikTok talking about giving this away too, because you want to comment on that also and share that with your friends to give you more chances to win this, because 5,000 followers on TikTok and 5,000 subs on YouTube is what it's going to take for me to give this away, guys. So share the video away, tag your friends, and just do all you can and have a chance to win my first ukulele. And yes, I'll sign it wherever you want. Whoever wins, I'll ask you where you want me to sign it, and I'll sign it wherever. So yeah, my first major giveaway on this channel, because you guys are awesome. We're about to hit 3,000 subscribers. My TikTok just hit 1,000 followers, so I feel like we could get to 5,000 pretty fast, and somebody can win this ukulele. So yeah, just a little thank you from me to you guys.